My name is Beverly Jobson Grant, and I'm the PNP candidate for the Yorton Division in Northwestern St. Catherine. Big up to the Yorton Division, who has continued to support me and has worked with me to achieve all the goals that we have achieved. As councillor for this division for the last 8 years, you have worked with me tirelessly to get potable water to 95% of the division. 90% of all parish council roads in the division have been fixed. We intend to fix the other 2 roads which are left, which are top and bottom Ivy roads. Vote for me, Beverly Jobson Grant, on November 28. The People's National Party, with the people, for the people.